In a world racing toward electrification, one SUV is ready to challenge expectations and redefine what affordable luxury looks like in the EV era. Meet the 2026 Kia EV5, the perfect blend of futuristic design, cutting-edge technology, and an electrifying driving experience that could just make you forget about gasoline forever. Let's start with the exterior, and wow, Kia wasn't holding back. The EV5 takes inspiration from the brand's flagship EV9, but wraps it into a more compact, city-friendly package. Its boxy, confident stance gives off that rugged SUV presence, while the sharp, modern lines tell you it's been sculpted for the future. Up front, you've got Kia's signature, digital tiger face, a sleek LED light bar stretching from end to end, paired with pixel-style daytime running lights that look like they were borrowed from a sci-fi movie. The lower bumper's geometric accents give it a strong, planted feel, perfect for making an impression, whether you're pulling up at the office or heading out on an adventure. From the side, the EV5 shows off muscular wheel arches housing bold 19 to 21-inch aero wheels, designed for efficiency without sacrificing style. The flush door handles. They pop out only when you need them, keeping the lines clean and the aerodynamics sharp. And at the rear, the LED tail signature mirrors the front, crisp, futuristic, and unmistakably Kia. The wide tailgate makes loading gear effortless, while the roof spoiler adds just enough sportiness to remind you this isn't your average family SUV. Step inside, and you'll see why the EV5 feels more like a lounge on wheels than a traditional SUV. The cabin is bathed in natural light thanks to a full-length panoramic roof, and Kia's new sustainable interior materials mean luxury no longer comes at the cost of the planet. You're greeted by twin 12.3-inch screens, one for the digital driver display and the other for the infotainment, seamlessly connected by a smaller 5-inch climate control display in between. It's modern, it's minimalist, and it's refreshingly intuitive. The front seats are slim yet incredibly supportive, perfect for long drives or quick city hops. And if you're in the mood to relax, the zero-gravity recline mode lets you lean back and recharge, literally and figuratively, while the car charges. In the back, you'll find generous legroom, flat flooring for easy movement, and rear seats that can recline or fold completely flat for extra cargo space. Whether it's groceries, camping gear, or your surfboard, the EV5 is ready to carry it all. Now, let's talk about what powers this electric beauty. The 2026 Kia EV5 rides on Hyundai Motor Group's E-GMP platform, the same architecture that's already proven itself in the EV6 and Ioniq 5. Depending on the trim, you can choose between single-motor rear-wheel drive for maximum efficiency, or a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup for more punch. Power output ranges from a solid 215 horsepower in the base model to over 300 horsepower in the AWD variant, with instant torque delivery that makes merging onto the highway a breeze. And thanks to its low center of gravity and well-tuned suspension, the EV5 stays planted through corners while keeping the ride smooth and composed. Battery options will give you anywhere from 300 to over 370 miles of range on a single charge, and with ultra-fast charging, you can go from 10% to 80% in under 30 minutes, just enough time for a coffee break before hitting the road again. The 2026 Kia EV5 isn't just an electric SUV, it's a statement. A statement that style, technology, and performance don't have to cost a fortune. Whether you're a city commuter, a weekend explorer, or someone simply ready to leave gas pumps in the rearview mirror, the EV5 might just be your perfect match. So, what do you think? Is the Kia EV5 the sweet spot between practicality and futuristic appeal? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss more reviews of the latest rides shaping our automotive future. Thank you for watching, see you in the next video.